Hey, I'm Chef Marco Niccoli. Welcome to my restaurant. Here at my restaurants, we've taken our blending game to the next level with the brand new Blendtec Nitro System 2.0. Super easy to use. The best part is it's quiet, it's easy to clean up, and you save so much money on product because you do everything in your own cup. Come check it out. Guys, being in the restaurant business as long as I have been, I know that one of the most important things is minimizing waste. The Nitro Blending System 2.0 from Blendtec is fundamental to lowering the cost of goods used in your restaurant. We're gonna do a smoothie, one of the most common ordered items on our menu. We're gonna start with some fresh blueberries, and we're gonna just put it right into our cup. That's the best part about the system, is everything is built directly in your cup. We're gonna put some pineapple in there. And then we're gonna cut some fresh strawberries. And you can see, again, there's little to no waste. You have a little bit of the stem, everything else is going in there. When we seal this up, the vacuum seal that we'll put on it will also make the flavors come to life, like no other system you've ever used in your restaurant before. Okay, we got the strawberries. Now we're gonna put a little bit of juice in here just to get the system going. And then we're gonna use the ring that fits our cup perfectly, just like that. And then the stand. You put the cup right into the mold, fits tight, and then you're gonna put the blending system down on the bottom and tighten it for that perfect seal. Now we blend. And in 10 seconds, you're gonna have a perfectly blended smoothie with absolutely no waste, and you can tell how quiet it is. Two really great features about this new system. And we're gonna remove the blending bottom, the cup, put a lid, and we're ready for service.